Hi, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to the Dawn Kitchen. Today, I'm back in the kitchen to show you a quick and easy recipe. And this recipe is to make tamarind juice or tamarind drink. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's recipe, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let's get started. So you're gonna break the tamarind. This is a sour tamarind. You have the sweet one and you have the sour one. So you're just gonna move it from the shell. So when you remove it, it looks like this. You're just gonna add some water to it. You're gonna put the tamarind, and I'm just using this much water. You're just gonna put the tamarind inside the water. And you're gonna cover this and you're gonna let it soak overnight. So after it's soaked, I'll be back to show you the rest. All you're gonna need is some sugar and some baking soda, the drinking baking soda. So I'll show you the next step. So I'm gonna cover and let it soak overnight. And my beautiful people, with the tamarind soaking overnight, it was soaking like 12 last night, and now it's like after 10. So we soak the tamarind in room temperature water. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar and also half teaspoon of baking soda. The baking soda is a bicarbonate of soda they used to call, or the baking soda. So what you're doing now, this is a tamarind looking like this. I'm gonna pour it. I'm pouring it out. And you see the color it already have. And you're gonna ensure that you wash your hands, and with clean hands, now we're gonna squeeze the tamarind. You're gonna rub it out, and you see when you soak it, look, 1, 2, that's easy like ABC. Everything come from the seed. You see, look at all this pulp out the seed. Everything so easy. So guys, remember, if you like this video and would like to see more, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell for more notification of the latest video. So now you with a sieve, you will be straining your tamarind juice. You can even use it to fry some fritters. So nothing left in this. It is so white. And our seed, I didn't even separate anything. You see the seed separated from itself. You see, guys? So beautiful people, I am dividing this in two. So I'm showing you two ways that you can do your tamarind juice. This is a baking soda, half teaspoon. You can pour it in it. And your sugar. Or you can pour the tamarind juice out. You can put some in a cup. You can have it just as it is, like that, with some ice. And this here, you can pour. Let me stir it up. Look to that much, and you're gonna put the baking soda in. Look, it's froth up. You see? You see what happened? Yeah. And you want to put the sugar in. So guys, when you put the baking soda in, that's how your tamarind juice become. So hey, my beautiful, beautiful people, our refreshing tamarind juice is now ready. And it's so refreshing, guys. I think you should give it a try. Give it a try. You will love it. I'm telling you. I love you all. Thank you for watching D Don Kitchen.